forgot we to hike to a fall. Hamilton Falls.
We're here at Emerald Lake. Asan yung timer niya?
好，你给他再拍2张行不行？
哪样啊？
对，快，快点，排队，对，过去，拿你小铃铛，上香了。
Ayan na, pa-picture sila. Pa-picture tayo muna, chat. Pa-picture ka na, chat. Tapos kayo. Bamba, alis ka dyan. Standard.
对，1、2、3，3的时候正影。对。
Nice.
Tingnan mo yung pakiramdam ni Ernest, plus 1.
I miss you, Johnny. Favorite niya yung song ni Atsu. Hi, Shode. Atsu. Dixie. Yun sila, Tito Oli. Nandito kami sa Golden Sky Bridge. Si Jay, si Tito Jay. I miss you, mga kids. Love you.
Ay!
So we get to go on the zip line.
Asa si
Oh,
Casey?
ayan na naman yung upuan.
Ito nga hinahanap.
Ang mahiwagang upuan.
Naglalaro na. Okay.
Nasa treetop na sila.
Ayan, Nini.
Aura ka ba?
Dito may effort uli nito mamaya.
Nini! Nini, Nini.
Aura ako. When you kind of walk in the trees.
Dito mamasyal dito, diretso na tayo. Calgary na.
Ano, oh, that's north. And we're going to Calgary. It's on the way back. Oh, that's back north. We're going south, we're gonna pass by Banff. And it will be
That's the hanging bridge.
Inaano ka sa atin kanina, bibili sana kami ulit lotto ticket, baka dun sa nagpapagkasaya kanina. Sabihin ko, bumili kami lotto ticket. Kasi bumili kami dun sa ano, diba? Dun sa...
At nakasap, ilan yun?
Kaya nga, baka sakali. Kaya ayayin mo sana bumili.
Sa sentro pala tayo ah.
Woohoo!
7.4. Oh, let's go!
Wala na nga nila dito ah.
Okay, we're here at the Upper Sky Bridge.
Canada's highest suspension bridges. Prepare for a thrilling adventure as you take in stunning views of the spectacular Columbia Valley nestled between 6 national parks. The bridge you're about to cross is 150 meters long, spanning the
Look straight ahead.
beneath your
Ready ka na ba?
Ito nga si Jeden eh, namumblema.
Handa ka na ba?
as you look down the canyon.
Are you ready?
Loko. Sabi niya, what if it snap?
Are you ready, guys? Oh, hintayin niyo si mami niyo, ah. Wait for your mom. Wait for your mom first. Go there, go there.
Please move to the side to
Yeah.
allow others to pass. Dropped objects,
Tawag ka ni mami.
phones, keys, and other loose items. Please refrain from throwing objects off.
Oo, sa kabila ang daan.
The safety of others, selfie sticks are not permitted on the bridge. Thank you for visiting the Golden Sky Bridge. We hope you have an unforgettable experience.
Makatawid tayo.
OMG.
Oh no, last one is gold.
Oh my gosh, look at that.